Hello and welcome back to a new video. I will show you today an update of a rig I have. There I got a 3060 version number 1 on it, and it was on Windows 10 with the dev driver to get the full hash rate out of this card, and it's time to change and check what the hash rate is on a Linux version. I use here the LOLMiner, the newest version. And as you see, I'm almost got the same hash rate, I would say. It's like 41. And if I check a screenshot I took before I change, it's like I got here 46. And it's like I got here 195. And now I got 191 on Ethereum. And on Ton, it's like almost the same. What I also can say, I got a little bit less in power in use sometimes, and it works for me. And what I can say, it works a little bit stabler than on Windows for me right now. I will need to check the next day the rewards, what I'm getting back from this rig, and I will keep you updated. But for now, I will let it run on Linux, and yeah, I will see what happens. If you also want to change and get almost the same result that I have here, you can go to GitHub. I will post a link down in the description. Here I'm on Minerstat, so I use this code to downgrade the driver, but also on other mining system you can change the driver easily. I also tested with the newest version of NVIDIA, but I got the best value out of this driver, the 4060.39. And yeah, I will keep you updated how the rewards is, and maybe I switch back to Windows, but for now I think it's a good plan for me to change this rig to Linux to get a little bit more stable income out of it, because on Windows I need to reboot or restart every 1 or 2 days the rig because some mining errors and other things happen. If you want to get the same result that I have, I show you my OC settings. I got here on locked core clock 1605 and on memory clock 2520.